All these girls used to talk shit, now they wanna kick it like karate. Pulling up in the front whip, I go ape shit like Karabi. Bitch bad, she a cold killer, yo bitch basic, use a dog filter. I don't need no damn chaser, I take straight shots. Reggie Miller, yo girl is sending text messages. Don't reply but I read them. When I get all the way up inside and stretch it out, Odell Beckham. Hit me up, I got a flame, it's super rare, call it Charizard. Circle so small, matter of fact, I can fit them all in a smart car. Going hard for my family, do the shit for my grams. I go hard, my lyrics fire like the hoopin' NBA jams. Pulling up in that Beamer, all white like some mayo. I swear that I'm going way over their head, Donald Trump toupee though. I'm glad I'm out of my record deal, I'm making more independent. Labels be sending me emails, but I just erase them like Hillary Clinton. Fuck all my fake friends, they only hit me up when shit is convenient. You can find me with some bad twins, making the record Serena and Venus. Henny probably what I'm sipping though, making more green and piccolo. You can find me out in Miami, making more hits than Ichiro. People always talk shit to me, honestly I don't give a damn. Only fucker once, never hit it twice like a picture on Instagram.
I've been living on the road just to let you know. I've been getting